Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the gentle rhythm of your own breathing, in and out. There's no need to change it. Simply allow it to be as it is. And with each exhale, you can feel a subtle release, a letting go of any tension you might have been carrying in your shoulders, your jaw, your forehead. You are safe here, supported, held in this moment of stillness. I wonder what it feels like for you right now in this quiet space. Perhaps there's a sense of readiness, a gentle curiosity about what this time will bring. Or maybe there's a familiar background hum of thoughts, of things to do, of memories from the day. And that's perfectly okay. You can allow all of that to be here without needing to push it away or follow it. Simply notice it and let it drift by like clouds moving slowly across a vast, peaceful sky. You might begin to notice the weight of your body, the points of contact where you meet the chair or the floor, the solid, steady support beneath you. And as you notice this support, you can allow your awareness to drift inward to the quiet space behind your eyes, the calm center within your chest, a space that is always there, always waiting, always peaceful. And in this calm space, you can begin to remember a moment, a simple, ordinary moment from your past where you felt a flicker of genuine appreciation. It doesn't have to be a grand event. It could be the warmth of sunlight on your skin, the taste of cool water when you were thirsty, the sound of a loved one's laughter. Just allow that memory to surface in whatever form it takes. And as you recall it, notice where in your body you sense that flicker of appreciation. Is it a slight softening in your heart? A gentle warmth in your chest? A lightness in your being? Simply find it and acknowledge it. Now, let that feeling grow just a little. Imagine breathing into that very sensation. And as you breathe in, you feed that feeling. As you breathe out, you allow it to spread. Good. And now, as you feel that warmth, that softness, that light, I invite you to gently press your thumb and forefinger together on your right hand. Go ahead and do that now. Press them together, and as you do, link that physical sensation directly to this emotional state of simple appreciation. This is your anchor, a neurological link, a tiny, powerful switch you can access anytime. You can release the fingers now, knowing the connection is made. stored deep. I am grateful for the miracle of this breath, flowing in and out without any effort from me. With every breath, I am becoming more aware of the incredible gift of life that moves through me. I am grateful for the steady, loyal rhythm of my heart, beating its constant song of vitality within my chest. I prefer thus to body this vessel that carries me through the world, that allows me to feel the sun and the wind, to taste and touch and experience. I am grateful for this body, this vessel that carries me through the world, that allows me to feel the sun and the wind, to taste and touch and experience. I am grateful for this body, this vessel that carries me through the world, that allows me to feel the sun and the wind, to taste and touch and experience. Every sensation is a note in the symphony of being alive. I appreciate the strength in my legs, the dexterity in my hands, the incredible complexity of my senses that paint the world in vivid detail. I prefer, so my mind is grateful for its body to think, to learn, to imagine, and to find stillness. I appreciate the thoughts that serve me, and I release with love those that do not, knowing all are part of my growth. I am grateful for the quiet wisdom that exists beneath the thinking mind, the deep intuitive knowing that guides me toward peace. I am grateful for the shelter that surrounds me, for the walls that provide safety, for the roof that offers protection. I am grateful for the tapestry of relationships in my life, for the love that has been given to me in all its forms, for the friends who have shared laughter and tears, for the teachers, seen and unseen, who have offered lessons, for the kindness of strangers that has brightened my path. Each connection is a thread of gold, weaving the story of who I am. I am grateful for the challenges I have faced, for they have carved depth into my character and taught me resilience I didn't know I possessed. I appreciate the moments of contrast, for they allow me to recognize and cherish the light with greater intensity. Every experience, without exception, has contributed to the person I am now, and for that, I offer sincere thanks. And from this deep, overflowing well of gratitude, joy naturally arises. It's not a fleeting happiness based on conditions, but a steady, resilient joy that is woven into the fabric of my being. I can feel it now. I can joy. I am joy. I am joy. is not something I seek. It is what I am made of. It is the fundamental energy of my spirit. With every heartbeat, I pulse with joyful aliveness. I can feel the joy flowing through my being, a radiant, warm energy. I allow myself to be surprised by joy. I expect me in unexpected places and moments, and I welcome it with an open heart. I express my joy freely through a smile, through a sigh of contentment, through a lightness in my step. I approach my tasks with a joyful heart. I approach my tasks with a joyful heart, transforming duty into dance. I engage with others with joyful presence, listening deeply and connecting authentically. Even in stillness, I am immersed in the joyful peace of simply existing. And now, gently press your thumb and forefinger together again on your right hand. As you do, feel the deep gratitude and the resilient joy flooding back, amplified, stronger than before. Yes, this is your resource state, anchored. This gratitude, this joy is now neurologically linked to this simple gesture. Anytime you need to remember, anytime you wish to access this profound well of positive feeling, you can gently press these fingers together. Take a deep breath and feel it all return. Release the fingers, knowing the connection is permanent, wired into your very nervous system. This gratitude and joy are becoming automatic, subconscious, your new normal. Your brain is creating new pathways, strong neural networks that default to appreciation and delight. Every time you feel this anchored state, you strengthen these pathways, making this joyful living more effortless and permanent. Feel this radiant energy of gratitude and joy filling you from the soles of your feet to the crown of your head. It shines out from you, a gentle, powerful light. It fills the space around you. It extends out into your home, your community, touching the energy of the world with its peaceful, thankful vibration. You are a beacon of grateful joy, and this state is not left here in this meditation. It is carried within you, in your heart, in your breath, in your anchored touch. It is part of you now. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues, even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you